In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Jira user ID. This process is straightforward, and in about 5 minutes you'll know exactly where to find this vital piece of information. Whether you're adjusting permissions or simply need your user ID for integrations, knowing how to locate it in Jira is a useful skill. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by navigating to your Jira workspace. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Jira website, or simply use the link provided by your organization. Once you're there, if you haven't already logged in, enter your account credentials to access your workspace. Upon logging in, you should reach a page that highlights projects, boards, and tasks relevant to you. This is often called the Your Work section, and it's our starting point for today's task. Next, take a look in the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a settings icon, often represented by a gear or a similar symbol. Click on this icon. It's an essential part of accessing administrative tools within Jira, so it's good to remember its location for future use. After you've clicked on the settings icon, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu containing various options. From this list, locate and select User Management. User Management is where you'll handle anything related to users on your Jira account, including permissions, user roles, and the ability to view and manage user details. Clicking this option will take you to a new screen dedicated to managing user accounts within your organization's Jira setup. On the user management page, you'll see a list of active users. Each user listed here has specific roles and permissions that help define their capabilities within Jira. Your next task is to find the user whose ID you wish to know. If it's your own, locate your name on the list. You might need to scroll or use a search feature to locate the right user, particularly if your organization has many users. Once you've identified the correct user, click on their name. This action will lead you to a page displaying detailed information about the user. Some of this information might include contact details, roles, or job titles depending on what your Jira admin has set up. However, our primary focus remains on finding the user ID. After you've accessed this user's profile page, pay attention to the URL in your web browser. The user ID is often embedded in this URL. You might notice a string of numbers and letters that is unique to every user. This string is your Jira user ID. Typically, it follows a standard pattern within the URL structure, so it should stand out once you know what to look for. A tip here is to make sure you're looking at the right portion of the URL. Sometimes the ID appears after a common keyword such as users or profile, followed by an identifier. This is what you'll want to note down or use wherever you need your Jira user ID. It's good practice to copy and paste the ID to a safe document for easy access later. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to locate your Jira user ID without hassle. This method ensures you have access to your own information whenever you need it, keeping your user settings and permissions detailed and accurate. Remember, while this process is straightforward, maintaining privacy and security over your information is paramount. Ensure you're retrieving your Jira user ID through secure channels and store it safely. Always follow best practices when managing user IDs or any sensitive information within your organization systems. With practice, navigating these settings will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to manage your Jira account more effectively. If you have further questions or areas you'd like more guidance on, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Happy troubleshooting, and see you in the next video.